back, everybody. Good afternoon, good morning. So today I'm going to be showing you how I did this makeup look. This one was actually inspired by Beyonce. I seen one of her pictures on my Instagram and I was just blown away, and I really just wanted to try this one, especially with, spring coming up. I just wanted to see, mix and match, put my own little twist on it. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this look, then please keep watching. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you'll be one of my subscribers. So yeah, don't forget to, like the channel if you like it, and I'm just get right into it. So I'm gonna try this makeup look. It's probably not gonna turn out exactly like Beyonce's picture, but it's just, I'm using it kind of like an inspiration to, like just trying to put a look together. So I'm gonna share with you how I'm gonna create this look, my version of it anyway. So yeah, my face is already cleaned. I washed and moisturized my face already. So I'm just gonna start with applying some concealer to my eyes. Okay, well, you can use any concealer, just something, or even eyeshadow primer to make sure that the eyeshadow color really pops to its fullest. I know MAC has some good ones. Maybelline has really good ones too. I'm using Tarte Creaseless today. Okay, so I'm gonna start with just kind of a neutral brown. This brown right here this is the Tartelette Toasted Powder. I'm just gonna take just maybe these two, just combination, and I'm gonna go a little bit here on both sides, and I'm gonna blend that out. Now I'm going to be using this kind of brush to pack on the yellow. I have a yellow eyeshadow right here from NYX, and I'm going to pack that on all over my eyelid. I have a MAC eyeshadow right here. It's like a darkish bluish purple, and I'm just going to use a little bit of that with my MAC 228 brush, and I'm just gonna like kind of like line my line like right here as if it's like an eyeliner, just to darken it a bit. And this makes it look like more like smudged in. It's not like a sharp line. The name is like literally rubbed off, but it's kind of like it's not matte, but it's kind of like a darkish blue, like purple bluish color. Okay, and for my brow bone, I'm gonna apply a light shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil, the white color right here. It's gonna mix the two light colors at the bottom and put it on my brow bone. And then I'm gonna blend it. So I think that's pretty good so far. I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera. I have these natural lashes, kind of looking lashes from Jimeray Be Fashion BU. I got them off Amazon, but they're pretty like natural looking lashes. So I'm gonna put those on off camera and I'll be right back. My foundation, I'm just gonna apply the regular Fit Me matte and poreless right here. I have 310 and 312. I'm just gonna apply it regularly, how I usually do. So I always start with the 310 and I apply that everywhere. I'm gonna leave the area like right around underneath my eye, and I'm gonna apply concealer there only and not the foundation too. And I'm gonna apply 312 just on my forehead and probably a little bit by my jaw and chin. And for underneath my eye, I'm going to use Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Concealer in Golden Neutral, and I'm going to put that underneath my eyes. Okay, and I'm going to just blend that in with my brush. It's a bit lighter than the others. Now I have Maybelline Fits Me. It's a stick, and this is in, I think it's the 355, yeah, and I'm just going to use that to contour. So I'm just going to put that right here, my forehead, here, and over here. So what I like to do is I like to use Maybelline 330, and I like to just set like this area and my forehead and stuff with this color, like this shade of powder. I might can go over like over here too, where I contour. I have like oily skin, so yeah, this is, I have to like set everything. And this is actually a finishing compact setting powder by Dermablend. It's a pressed finishing powder. Yeah, so I'm gonna place that just underneath my eyes. And probably everywhere else. I just waxed my eyebrows myself yesterday at home, so I think they're in pretty good shape. So I'm just gonna go over it with a clear mascara, and yeah, I'm just gonna brush them out. Of course, you can always use a brow pomade or a brow pencil. I do use them sometimes, like if I need to. Those are really great to shape your eyebrows. Okay, now in the picture, I'm just gonna double check for my inspo. Okay, so she does have mascara underneath here, and it looks like she added some of the yellow like into the inner corner. So I'm going to attempt to do that as well. So I'm gonna use a curved like angle brush, and I'm gonna take the yellow and I'm just gonna bring it down like into the inner corner and like down here as well. So I'm gonna add my blush. I'm gonna add like a pinky color. I have this blush palette, and I also have the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush palette actually. So I think I'm gonna go with this one for today. And I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here and this color. So I'm just gonna blend these two and add that. I'm gonna have to add a lot more because I'm not seeing much coming up. Now that's showing up a lot more. And continue to blend it out a little bit so it doesn't look like too much. And I'm gonna add, take a different brush, and I'm gonna add, see if I can darken it up a little bit with the darker one here. Okay, and I'm gonna add some of the brown, I want it to be like a bit deeper. And I'm going to add a highlighter on my nose. I'm going to add this. It's kind of like a golden one from Bella. I'm just going to put that on the bridge of my nose. And I'm going to contour my nose just a little bit with the same powder that I had, number 330 from Maybelline. Just put it right here and right here, and just kind of like blend it downwards. Now for my lipstick, I have like 2 lipsticks and 1 lip gloss. So I'm gonna have to like add a ton of this, but I'm gonna go in with, this is number 251 Wisteria Rose by L'Oreal. Pretty sure it's L'Oreal Paris. And yeah, so I'm gonna put that on. I really do like this. I think it's a really good spring look since we're, you know, soon gonna be springtime. And I'm gonna add some of the lip gloss over it. I got this at my local beauty supply store last year. It's called Diamond Glow Lip Gloss, and it's Nick AK. So it looks like this, and it has like a shimmery, pinky sparkle thing happening. And voila. So lately I just like to put my braids in a bun. I think it looks cute like this. That's how I usually do it. I'm probably gonna be trying out some new colors, you know, as time goes on. All right, everybody, so there you have it. That is my makeup look for you today, my Beyonce inspired spring makeup look. But of course, this can be used at any time during the year. I really like this one. I really hope that you did too. Once again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and enjoy the rest of your day and night. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.